I would like to give you some insight into some use cases of the Beckhoff technology. Therefore, I invited a guest today. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so could you please tell me the company you work for?
Yes, my company is Clifford Machines and Technology. We're based in South Africa. We're a leading producer of original equipment related to the grating and fencing manufacturing industry.
Okay. And so what kind of solutions does your company offer?
So we are, as I said, we are original equipment manufacturers. So we produce the full array of equipment related to the manufacture of the grating and fencing and fine mesh, wire mesh that is available to the industries worldwide.
Okay, so a big variety of things you do.
It is a large variety of different equipment, and we have a footprint in basically all corners of the earth.
Okay.
We have recently focused on fencing and grating, and we are finding a lot of traction in some in the European markets, but majority in North America and South America.
Okay. And what kind of Beckhoff products do you use?
Well, it's interesting. There's a full array of Beckhoff equipment that we use from the IPCs and the IOs, but I would suspect that the majority of the reasons why we use Beckhoff is related to the kind of service and support that we get out of the company, particularly with EtherCAT and the ability for us to link all of our equipment and the ease at which we can reliably diagnose and detect when there are issues.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, that's very interesting. And so since when do you use Beckhoff products?
Well, certainly I've been with the company only a few years, but it's been for quite a while. And we actually identify very strongly with Beckhoff with its core values of being a family type operation. We certainly have the core values of that embedded deeply in our company. And it's an association we wish to keep going for many years to come.
Well, that's so nice to hear. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.